Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about dash cams. I know, I know that when we ride a bike we have them on a helmet, side, the top, the front, anything like that. Or we have them on our bikes somewhere. Occasionally you might have them mounted on your top. But this is a dash cam that's an application on your phone. So it's called Dashcam AU. And it's actually from the Ukraine, but they want to take it into the UK, into England. So, and they're like, you can put this on your dash cam, have it on your phone, mounted up, nobody knows you're using it. Okay, why? Well, this app records 30 seconds of video and then erases after a while, so it overwrites itself, I should say. But if you want to record anything, just tap anywhere on the screen and it will save the last 30 seconds leading up to the incident, whatever it is. So the incident could be, I don't know, what are they saying? Running a red light, using your mobile phone, your cell phone, not giving priority to emergency vehicles, an incident involving a railway crossing, if you've gone through the red light and kind of cut through the things. Illegal overtaking over the solid lines, anything like that. So they're saying that anyone could be running this app and you don't know who is running it, so they want you to drive more carefully, more considerate and everything else, and obey the rules, pay attention to the rules. Don't do anything that you're not meant to. So you touch anywhere on the screen and it saves the last 30 seconds, like I said. And with that, you can review the video that you've just saved. You can pause it, you can zoom in, look at registration numbers, you can slow it down so that you can see that, oh, yep, it's red, 3, 2, 1, and they've gone past that red light, whatever, anything. So once you've done all this and you've filled in the details, where the incident took place, what the time was, what was the road like, what's the registration of the vehicle and everything else, you can then send it to the police so that they can look at it and find the person that was in violation of the law, I suppose. And they want to make it so that if you send the little video in, the little clip, and they get prosecuted, you get a little bit of money. Similar to what Taiwan used to do. I think they've stopped that now. So you could report somebody for not indicating when they change lanes, and then you get a little bit of the money. I think they have stopped that now. So anyway, so going back to this dash cam, they say it's not about the punishment. It's not about getting the fine and giving somebody else the money, if that comes to it. Really, it's about the mentality, the changing people's driving habits, because you don't know who's using the app. It's about money. It's about this company making money and you using it, downloading it and everything else. So what's the biggest concern is when you're typing all this information in, you can't see the registration number properly, so you'll get it wrong. You're putting the wrong digit. The 8 could be a B, I don't know, private plate or something. Typos, might have the wrong date and time, might have the wrong location, you might not put it in the right place. So all those kind of things. Do I like them? No, I don't like it. I do like cameras. I do think cameras are good for backing up, but to be able to send it right away to the police and then for them to fine you, I don't know. It has to be clear. Get a decent camera. Your phones are good, they are, but they do shake. They will shake. Even the cameras on the headphones, on the helmets rather, they will shake. So you don't get a great deal of the most perfect picture. Even on the bikes, I use GoPros 360. Occasionally I use my cell phone, Yeah, it's a good camera, but would I use it for, I don't know. But what are your thoughts? Do you think it's right that people should be able to do that and maybe get a little bit money for reporting someone that's, hey, this person's done something wrong on the street, I want a little bit of money? I don't think it's right. I don't think that's great. I think if they've done something wrong, yes, maybe report them, depending on the severity of it. But I don't think you should get money for it, because it's just going to want or make people, you're doing this, you're gonna pay, and I'm gonna get some money from it because of your actions and things. I don't think that's fair. It's just my opinion. Let me know, what's your opinion? Where are you from? Would you want this in your country? Especially, you're in the UK. They don't want it. They don't think it's great. It may come in, but they'll definitely say, look, you need to change this, you need to change that. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks a lot. I'll see if I can post a link to all the details that I've just said, and the site I got it from. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. Hit like, subscribe, share it. Share it with your friends, because nobody wants that kind of thing, really. I don't know. Take care of yourselves. Ride safe. Bye bye.
Hello, my name is Alex. I'm founder of startup Dashcam UA. In this short video, I'll show you how our application works. The Dashcam UA application turns a driver's smartphone into smart dashboard camera. Now, every time a driver sees the traffic violation, he can record the video evidences and send it to the police. The video recording is cyclical with short 30 seconds videos. This means that every new 30 seconds will be temporarily recorded on the top of previous 30 seconds. A recording to the permanent memory will only occur when the driver sees the violation and taps on the screen for his mobile phone. This way, the app doesn't overload the phone memory and stores only important video files. The video is then submitted to the police in less than a minute. Open the video list, select the video from the list, review it. If the number is difficult to see, the video can be stopped and zoomed to recognize the violated license plate. You can add another license plate number if necessary. Authentic video files are delivered to the server without any changes. It is nearly impossible to hack the application or change the video. In addition to that, our algorithms are designed to identify hacked files and block them in our system. The files come to the server with all necessary labels of geolocation, date, time, license plate number of the violated car, and the type of violation. This data is enough for police officer to prepare a penalty document just in one click, where all the data will be pulled up. In the next second, the electronic document can be on the violator's mobile phone, and he can view the video and all the details of his violation. Our system is quite transparent. Our users will be receiving the real-time statuses of the video evidences when those are sent to police. When a penalty is paid by a violator, our user will receive a certain percentage of that penalty. Once the user receives the bonus money, he can be sure that the violator was really punished. By the way, this bonus money can be transferred to the charity, and in this way our users can help the society twice.